This is also worthy to mention. May nangyayari din na scam pala. Kala mo lang. Malamig na naman dito ko sa Germany. Hindi naman tutol next ate mo, girl. Charot. Hi! Taran! Hi friends, this is Odyssey. Welcome back to my channel. Grabe, ayan naman, kakasimula ko lang mag-vlog dyan si Haring Araw Tara dito. Charot! Alright, so today's video is about paghahanap ng apartment dito sa Germany. One of the one of the most common comments na maririnig nyo would be is mahirap maghanap ng apartment, mapalokal or Filipino nagsasabi na nakaka-stress maghanap ng apartment or Wohnung dito sa Deutschland. Also, yung paghahanap ng apartment feels like akala mo nag-a-apply ka ng trabaho. Sobrang dami mo nang makakasabay. So, it's easy to feel intimidated if makakuha mo ba yung Wohnung kasi ang dami din na nag-a-apply. For me, swinerte ako dito sa Wohnung ko. I actively started sending applications by the end of February and then end of March. Nakakuha na ako ng apartment. I'd share my personal story on another vlog. Baka ang haba ng vlog na to. But today, allow me to share some tips on what helped me in finding my own apartment. So, let's get into the video. Alright, number 1. Taran! Apps to use! There are tons of apps that you can use in searching for an apartment. I will provide a list. Yung iba may bayad, yung iba for free. I personally did not pay extra, and what I use is ImmoScout. After registration, you can now use the search option to look for your future apartment. It would be helpful to do some filters like how much ba yung budget, saang lugar ba, malapit pa sa workplace, malapit pa sa train or bus station, etc. Once na may nagustuhan na kayong apartment, do save it on your list para mas madali maghanap rather than starting all over again every time you use the app. Also, when you send applications, my default script na yung app. I would recommend you though to customize it. Like you can write down your profession, how much you're making, ilang years ka na sa Germany, why are you looking for an apartment, and ano yung hinahanap mo sa isang apartment. They say that people who work in Pflege, single parents, salary basis would be under the priority list. I'm telling you this para pagpunta mo for ocular visit or Besichtigung, you'd be like, girl, ang dami kong kasabayan, baka hindi ko makuha yung Wohnung. There are also Wohnung na leer, or yung iba meron na ng furnitures. Ayun na nga. There are also Wohnung na leer, or yung iba may furnitures na, meron ng iba na wala pa ng kitchen, so kailangan mo pa magpa-install. Sa akin dito, though leer yung apartment, may kitchen na siya, and sa Keller may common kaming washing machine na pwedeng gamitin ng lahat. It's good to consider these things para sa budgeting mo, since halimbawa yung kitchen installation would range from 1,500 euros to 5,000 euros. Ang mahal, depende pa sa style na gusto mo. So ayun, and of course mahal magbili ng mga appliances. Caution! Alright, so next would be caution or deposit. Ano ba to? First is you have to send resignation in your current apartment. Girl, bakit may resignation? Diba? Alam mo talaga naghahanap ka ng trabaho pag naghahanap ka ng apartment. Lahat sa Germany, most of the time, kailangan nakapapel or schriftlich. I've attached a Google document, the one I use for my resignation sa old Wohnung ko. So, check nyo na lang po on the description box. We also want to copy it. Do check yung vertrag mo sa bahay, ilang months ang Kündigungs first. For me, it was 3 months. So, usually, ang nangyayari is that mag-overlap talaga yung bayad mo from the old apartment and then sa bago mong apartment. Especially pag nakahanap ka agad ng bago mong apartment. So, it's really something na kailangan natin pag-ipunan. Caution would be the advance deposit para sa bago mong apartment. So it's usually 3 months worth of rent. So halimbawa, 700 ang monthly rent ng bago mong Wohnung, then it would be around 2,100. Plus pa yung rent mo for the month pag nag-move in ka. So let's say at least prepare 4 months worth of rent for your new apartment. Also, not every unbeater would offer it in installment options, so do ask during your ocular visit or during the besichtigung kung may option ba na installment or kailangan paid in cash, paid in full, pwedeng i-transfer, etc. For me, since last year, I was already saving it, so I paid mine in full. So halimbawa, bago ka dito sa Deutschland and you're living in Wohngemeinschaft and also praying in the future you wanted to have your own apartment, then save a certain amount each month since ang laking halaga ng caution. Ang sakit girl sa bangs. Okay, next. Price ng apartment. Wohngemeinschaft, Wohngemeinschaft, tama ba? WG or Wohngemeinschaft would range from 350 to 500 euros, but having your own apartment may range from 650 to 900 euros, depende pa gaano kalaki, ilang rooms, saang city, etc. You'd see two prices sa app na ginagamit natin. One is Kaltmiete and the other one is Warmmiete. The total cost per month na kailangan natin bayaran is Warmmiete. So please don't be confused about it. It's being breakdown as halimbawa 550 yung Kaltmiete mo and yung Nebenkosten or the auxiliary cost would be 150 euros. So yung Nebenkosten would be included sa babayaran mo per month, but at the end of the year, it will be recalculated on how much ba talaga yung nagamit mo. So, it's either may certain amount na maibabalik sa'yo or baka magbayad ka pa ng extra if nag-exceed tayo sa usage. Ayun na nga, hindi siya gaya ng sa Pilipinas. Next, documents needed. Yung unbeater mo would inform you kung ano yung mga documents needed from you, but most common would be Schufa, Wohnmieterbescheinigung, and Vertrag or payslip mo sa current work mo for the past 3 months or maybe 1 year. They would normally list it down kung ano yung mga documents na kailangan natin i-provide sa anzeige or sa advertisement. So we have to read through and not just scroll lang ng houses. Also, some advertisements too would say na sending applications through the app would not be qualified. So, do check sa description ng advertisement or anzeige if you have to call a certain number to schedule a besichtigung or maybe through an email. Ocular visit or besichtigung. Tantararan, ito na to, girl. So after sending numerous applications, get a reply to schedule the ocular visit. So there may be a form na isasend sa'yo ng unbeater for you to fill out. So please have it ready. Tips during ocular visit, one is really be on time. Especially pag ang dami mong kasabayan, like nakahilera kayo niyan, girl. For besichtigung, you only have 15 minutes to 30 minutes to view the apartment and na-late ka pa. Number 2 is create a small talk. Usually, ang mamimit mo kasi niyan is yung housemeister. So, try to be extra friendly and nice since sila yung magsasend ng paper mo sa Verwaltung. Kailangan natin mag-stand out. After my ocular visit sa apartment na to, I personally sent an email sa unbeater to personally thank him for the opportunity and also sa time na binigay niya sa akin during my ocular visit. So regardless kung makuha mo or hindi yung apartment, it always pays to be kind and polite. And then of course, pray. Very powerful. I mentioned, diba, na swinerta ako sa paghahanap ng apartment na to. So next time, i-chismis ko sa'yo why I said that. So, wag kang kabahan, girl. Pray lang tayo ulit. If hindi mo makuha yung apartment, it's okay. Baka mas may nangangailangan. Apply lang tayo ulit. Unlimited naman yung chances, diba? Then, congratulations! Once you got a confirmation na nakuha mo na yung apartment, they would first send you a draft ng Vertrag. I know it's 5 to 10 pages of Deutsch. Read it in silence, translate if you must, since dapat alam natin yung pinapirmahan nating contract. Once confirmed na on your end, they would schedule another termine for contract signing. Taray, artista yan, girl. They would inform you, and they would also inform you kung kailan mo dapat mabayaran yung caution or yung deposit. Ito na, girl. Ang bigat na, girl. And then, Schlusel Übergabe. Tantararan! Ayan na, girl. May bago ka ng apartment. I'm so happy for you. They would itemize kung ilang keys yung ibibigay sa'yo. They would show you around, like saan ba yung mga cables na nakakabit, saan yung keller mo, saan ang common washing machine, etc. Also, take note din yung ibang sira ng apartment since kailangan nila i-document yun. Like, halimbawa, may mga scratches or painting sa wall, mga dents sa wall or sa tiles, ano yung condition ng oven, floors, etc. This is also worthy to mention. I narrated this vlog as a step-by-step guide para aware ka ng process sa paghahanap ng Wohnung or apartment dito sa Germany. May nangyayari din na scam pala. Kala mo lang. In my personal experience during me sending applications, I saw this advertisement or anzeige. So, syempre, nag-send ako ng application. And then, ayun, naka-exchange ko na ng email yung unbidder. He sent all of his IDs and then asked me na isend ko din daw yung mga IDs ko and then sesendan niya ako ng link para mabuko yung apartment through TripAdvisor. Girl, pag ganun, magtaka ka na since kailangan mo muna mag-besichtigung and kailangan mo muna magperma ng contract before ka magbayad ng caution. So, let's be cautious or mindful about it. Kasi, girl, hindi biro yung caution na wala lang ng parang bula. Ay, naku, girl. So, ayun. So, there you go. Thank you so much for staying with me today, and I hope you get something from this video. Let me know if it's also one of your dreams or goals na makapaghanap ng apartment dito sa Germany. So again, this has been Odyssey, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Cheers!